Hi students, welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself, Shah Sir here. Dear students, as you all know it, we have covered the class 10th mathematics chapter coordinate geometry basics, right? In the previous classes, you can see the before parts before you can continue with this session. We have already covered the basics related to coordinate geometry and distance formula, work examples related to distance formula, and also the problems of distance formula, that is exercise 7.1, and then later section formula, how to remember the formulas and which formula when we need to use, we have discussed, and also the work examples related to section formula and exercise 7.2 we have covered in the previous class. Children, today we are going to discuss one of the very most important topic of this chapter, that is area of triangle. Today we are going to discuss the problems related to area of triangle. Okay children, are you getting my point? Very good. My dear students, one thing you may have seen, that is if they have given the base and height, that is nothing but, let me consider this as a triangle, right? I will name this triangle as ABC. This is a triangle ABC, and let me say this AD is perpendicular to BC. Let me say AD is perpendicular to BC. Now here we can see this BC is called as base. This BC is called as base, and we can see here A to D distance, this AD is called as height of the triangle. This is also this is nothing but height of the triangle. Are you getting my point? So this height is also called as altitude. This height is also called as altitude. That is another name of height. You should not forget it. That is another name of height, that is altitude. So we have the formula. If you want to find this triangle area, that is area of triangle. This is a symbol triangle. Okay, if you want you can write triangle. Okay, anyways, so area of triangle, the formula is half into base into height. Are you getting my point? What is the formula to find the area of triangle? Half into base into height when they have given the sides. If they have given the values of the sides, that is base and height, then we can use this formula. I hope you all knows this earlier in your before class, like in your previous standards. I hope you have already studied the problems related to this formula, that is area of triangle, that is half into base into height. Are you getting my point? Very good. But so what we are going to study in this chapter? Students, my dear students, one thing you need to remember, every standard, how you are going to uplift yourself, even the value and your standard also will increase. You should not forget it. This year what you are going to study, definitely the next year little bit you are going to study something modified one. Before class, I mean last year you have studied this formula. Now even this year we are going to study something modified. We are doing some modification and we are going to study that. Are you getting my point? So that is nothing but, in case, suppose, I am telling, suppose for an example, let me see here children. Let me say this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Are you getting my point? This is x-axis and this is y-axis. On the plane of xy, on the plane of x and y-axis, let me consider we have one point here. Let me say we have one point here, and let me say we have one point here. Are you getting my point? By taking some xy coordinates, we have plotted 3 points. We have plotted 3 points, that is A, B and C. So A is a point something of x and y value, B is a point of something x and y value, and C is a point of something x and y value. We got 3 points. We got 3 coordinates. हमारे को 3 coordinates मिले हैं. Are you getting my point? Now these 3 coordinates, if we are going to join from A to B, then B to C, and then C to A or A to C. Now we can see we have got a triangle over there. Are you getting my point? On the xy plane, on the xy plane, we can see one triangle is been formed. We can see the shaded region, this is a triangle. Now I want to calculate the area of this triangle. Now I want to calculate the area of this triangle. Now here we can see that there is no proper base, there is no proper height. But what we know? We know the coordinates. Some A coordinates will be there, some B coordinates will be there, some C coordinates will be there. X and Y value will be there, right? See, this is X and this is Y. A, X comma Y values will be there. B, X comma Y will be there. It means that we are going to use the formula. Are you getting my point, children? If the coordinates are given, if the coordinates of the points, if the coordinates of the points are given, if the coordinates of the points are given, then we are going to use one formula. What is that formula? That is, this is the formula what we are going to use in this entire chapter. I mean in this entire topic related to area of triangle. That is nothing but area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to half into, there is a derivation, okay. But in your exam they are not going to ask you to derive anything. You don't need to worry, okay. Just you need to remember the formula and substitute the values. Now children, now I'll give you the logic how to remember this formula. Half you write. Are you getting my point? Before I could go for this formula, I like to tell you one more important thing. I hope you may be knowing the symmetry. Symmetry. Have you heard this word, symmetry? Very good. What is symmetry means? I'll tell you one more thing. I will tell you once again. That is, let me say 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Symmetry means after 1 what will come? 2. After 2 what will come? 3. After 3 what it will come? 1. In 3 points. I am speaking about the 3 points. After 1 2 will come. After 2 3 will come. After 3 again 1 will come. This is called as cyclic symmetry. Cyclic symmetry. Got it? Now we are going to apply the symmetry here. How? I'll tell you. See children, it's very easy. You can just write as x into, between every letter try to maintain some gap. Try to give some gap. That is x into y minus y. Got it? Again plus x into y minus y. Again plus x into y minus y. Close the bracket. See children, actually my way of teaching is completely logic based and shortcut based. Every chapter, how to remember the formulas, all those things, we have got still more very easy techniques to understand. No need to worry. If any teacher is called as a teacher, then definitely they will be having one or the more ways to teach. Are you getting my point? It depends upon our experience and seniority, nothing else. Even you also can become the teacher. It's not like always whatever I am teaching you have to stick to those things. Remember children, you are not supposed to do that. You have to use it and you make something kind of a different thing which is still more easy for you to learn. Okay. But on the whole, what we are going to put on the paper the final day, that is important. But how we are going to understand and putting on the paper, no one will ask you. How we have understood, no one will ask you. But what you are going to write in the paper, that is very important. Understood? Very good. Children, you understood the formula? What is that? Half into 3 times. 3 times you have to write. That is x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Now, as I have said you, first we should write 1, then we should write 2, then we should write 3. 1, 2, 3. X values 1, 2, 3. Now come back to x into y minus y. We have got 1 first. After 1 what will come? 2. After 2 what it will come? 3. 1, 2, 3. Similarly 2 start. Can you see this point? 2 is there. After 2 3 will come. After 3 1 will come. Now come back to this. 3 is there. After 3 what will come? 1. After 1 what will come? 2. That is the formula. That is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That's it. Very easy and very simple. Nothing to worry. But don't be hurry. Okay. Understand and write. Anyways. So what is the formula to find the area of triangle? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Got it? Concept is clear? Very good. So always you should not forget to highlight the formula inside the box. You need to highlight it, nothing else. Is this clear, children? If they have given base and height, we can use area of triangle as half into base into height. Okay, and different triangles has different areas. Like area of right angle triangle is formula is different, area of isosceles triangle formula is different, area of equilateral triangle formula is different. All the triangle areas formulas are different, but general formula of area of triangle is half into base into height. But here we are not going to discuss like different types of triangles in this topic, no need to worry. We are going to solve the problems related to coordinates. We are going to solve the problems related to coordinate, that is x comma y values. Understood? If you have solved properly distance formula in section formula, then it will be easy for you to solve even area of triangle formula, because you know x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Just you have to substitute in the formula. It's so easy, children, seriously. Just take the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Substitute where x1 is there, substitute x1 value, where y2 is there, substitute y2 value, where y3 is there, substitute y3 value over there. Normal addition and subtraction and multiplication, nothing else. It's your basic maths you are going to apply. Now, are you getting my point? Very good. Now, children, we are going to start your example number 1 related to this topic. That is nothing but example number 11. Now, we are going to solve each and every problem, children. And dear students, one thing is like a sincere advice for you people. Simply don't watch and close the chapter. If you are watching something, stick to those things. Until unless the complete session will not end, you should not move from your place. You have to take your paper, listen to the explanation, jot down the points, whatever you feel as important, and also the things what we are solving. If you are finding something like important, highlight it. That is called as a running notes. You need to maintain. The final day, your running notes will be very much important rather than what you are listening. Simply you are listening, definitely it doesn't store you in your mind. It doesn't store in your mind. If something you want to remember forever, 100% you should write first. Understood? Speak 100 things, write one thing. Both are equal to each other. Got it? You have to write, even let it be a spelling. Once if you write, remember, never you will forget those things. You need to write. At any cost you have to write. Don't simply mug up the answers. Write and practice. That will make you perfect. Nothing else. Got it? Good. Now children, now we are going to start the problems related to area of triangle. Now copy down the first problem related to this topic. See children, that is example number 11. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, -1, -4, 6 and -3, -5. See children, how to solve this problem? It's very easy, as I said you. Dear students, one thing, okay, just a small gap, okay, before I could start solving this problem, I like to tell you that still if you have not subscribed our channel of YouTube, you can do subscribe it, Evershine Coaching Groups. This is the name of our channel, Evershine Coaching Groups. Subscribe it, okay, and ask your all friends, family members, neighbors, enemies, whoever may be concerned, also to subscribe our channel. Okay, see children, we need to spread a good knowledge, nothing else. We are doing by keeping some aim that we have to we want to be transparent with the students. We want to help the community. That is the reason we have opened this channel. So this is the interface. You can communicate with the teacher. Understood? And teachers will communicate with you people. It's a channel. It's an open channel for you all to utilize the opportunity from Evershine Coaching Center. Okay, so do not miss this opportunity to score good, to score well. Still, if you are finding any doubts or something, you can come back to us. We will help you out. Okay, is this clear? Do subscribe our channel and click the like button. Click the like button. And also, I am seeing that most of you are watching the channel, but still you are not commenting. See children, your comments, your feedback is very much important. Are you getting my point? You have to give your feedback. That is the reason that is the point. Even we also can ensure what the best we can do for you people. Until unless you are not coming out with your views, with your point, how can we solve your problem? Got it? So everything you may not get as so easy as what you think. Everything needs the time, it needs the patience and needs your hard work. Got it? Please come back to us whether how you have understood, how was the session, how was the class, how much it is helpful for you, how much it is useful for you. Still any drawbacks are there? It's not like you have to come back with only positive views. We are not we are not hiring anyone here to comment. We are going to pay for you to do these things, that things. Nothing. Let it be negative things. You are most welcome for that. See, I am the teacher. I am completely transparent with everyone. If anything bad is there, please come back to us. Even we also are human beings like you people. Everyone are human beings. Mistake is a common thing which God has created. Everyone will do it. Till the death, someone, somewhere, somehow, he may do it. But correcting is there in our hand. Before we die, we have to do that. Understood? Correction, we have to do. But answer is already written. No, just what we are doing, we are correcting ourselves, nothing else. Understood? What you are going to become, already God has decided. But now we have to correct ourselves to get that aim. If you want to reach that target, correct yourself, definitely you will reach your target as what you are going to keep the aim. Are you getting my point? Good. Now let me start solving the problem, because if I start giving the history lecture, now we are speaking maths lecture, so we don't want to speak about history. Okay? Anyways. See children, anyways, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, -1, -4, 6 and -3, -5. So let me say, let the vertices of a triangle, triangle B, first I am going to give as A, point A, that is A of 1, -1, B of -4, 6 and C of -3, -5. Got it? So I am going to give 3 namings for these 3 vertices, that is vertex A 1, -1, vertex B -4, 6 and vertex C -3, -5. Now children, if you want, you can draw a triangle if you need, just like a rough figure ABC. Now we can see here, it's not like we have to find distance formula, find the distance between AB first, then BC, then CA. No, we are solving here area of triangle. You can see over there what we are solving, children. We are solving the area of triangle, not distance formula, section formula we need to apply. As you all knows it, we have already got already one formula to find the area of triangle. Just let me write that. That is area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to, as I have given the logic, that is half into x into, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. I hope you have seen in your PT master in your school, he will be telling 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Understood? This is new PT master. If you have not heard, no, you listen. This is new PT master who is going to have your physical training as 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now we have changed due to this new situation. Now we are saying not 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now we should say 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Very good. Is this clear? Let me write the values over here. What is coordinate A? I mean the vertex A, that is 1, -1. This is x1 and this is y1. And next B of -4, 6. What is this? x2, y2. Next C. What is C? -3, -5. -3, -5. That is x3, y3. Done. Shall we write now? Area of triangle is half into x1. The value of x1 is what? 1. Into y2 is what? Plus 6. Minus y3 value is -5. We are getting one more minus, so we need to write in bracket, that is -5. Close the main bracket. Then next plus x2 is -4. We write in bracket because minus is there after plus, into y3 is -5 minus y1 is -1. So we write in bracket -1, close the main bracket. Then plus x3 is what? -3. We write in bracket -3 into y1 minus y2. How much is y1? That is minus 1. y1 minus y2 is plus 6. That is 6. Close the main bracket. Done. Is this clear? Now, step by step let we solve. Next, half into 1 into 6 minus into minus plus 5. Are you getting, children? Now we can see here minus into minus, it becomes plus 5. Then plus let it be as it is. Now this minus 4 also let it be as it is. First let me simplify inside terms. That is minus 5. Again minus into minus plus 1. Then plus as it is, even minus 3 as it is, minus 1, minus 6. Both are minus, so we should add. Minus remains same. That's nothing but minus 7. Close the main bracket. Got it? Got the steps? That is half into 1 into 6 plus 5, that is 11, plus minus 4 as it is, that is next minus 5 plus 1, that is plus 1 minus 5. In 1 can we subtract 5? No. No means minus 5 minus 1 is 4. Then plus, now we can see here, in this case, plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Are you getting, children? Now we are just targeting this value. Can you see this? Minus into minus is plus. Again this plus into this plus is plus. Got it? Or plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. Now half into 1 into 11 is 11. Again minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. 4 fours are 16. Then again plus 21. Plus 21. Is this clear? The steps are clear? Very good. Half into 11 plus 16 plus 21. How much? If you want to do any calculation, so please put working column and you can do the calculation here. 11 plus 16 plus 21, that is nothing but 8, and this is 4, that is 48. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, that is nothing but 24. What is 24? Most of you will write 24 and you will leave. No, it is wrong. You have to write the full sentence. That is, therefore, area of triangle is equals to 24 square units. Because he has not given like meters, centimeters, anything. Just you can write as units. That is, area is measured in square units. That is nothing but 24 square units. I hope you have understood the problem. Right? Very good. Now let me solve problem number 2. That is example 12. Yes, observe, children. Next problem. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points A of 5, 2, B of 4, 7 and C of 7, minus 4. Solution. So what are the coordinates he has given? Already he has given as A, right? Yeah. A of 5, 2 and then B of 4, 7 and C of 7, minus 4. So x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So easy, right? Good. First let me write the formula. That is area of triangle ABC also you can write, or just area of triangle also you can write, no problem. Area of triangle equals half into x1 into y2 minus y3. Already before I could start solving the problem, I have given the logic. If you want, you can apply the logic and you can write the formula. If not, directly also you can write like x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is our formula, right? Yes, is equals to half into x1 value is 5 into y2 is 7 minus y3 is minus 4. So one more minus we are getting, so we write in bracket minus 4 plus x2 is 4 into y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is 2, then plus x3 is 7 into y1 is 2 minus y2 is 7. Close the main bracket. We are going to close the main bracket. Next, half into 5 into 7 minus into minus plus 4. Then 4 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 plus 7 into 2 minus 7. Into we cannot subtract 7, so minus 7 minus 2 is 5 is equals to half into 5 into 7 plus 4, that is 11, plus into minus, minus 6 4s are 24, plus into minus, minus 7 5s are 35, that is equals to half into 5 11s are 55, minus 24 minus 24 minus 35. If both are minus, we should add, but minus remains same, that is 9, and this is 5, that is nothing but minus 59. That is half into, in 55 can we subtract 59? No. No means minus 59 minus 55, that is 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Are you getting, children? Yes. That's nothing but so what is our final answer? What can we conclude? Therefore, area of triangle is equals to minus 2 square units. Area of triangle is how much? Minus 2 square units. Is this clear? See, it's so simple, right? Now let me solve next problem, that is example number 13. Yes. Children, one more thing before we could go for the next problem. Here we got area of triangle as minus 2 square units, right? But one thing you need to remember, but area value cannot be negative. The value of the area cannot be negative. So what we do here, we have to consider, we got negative answer, but still we have to write positive answer. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle, our final answer is what? Plus 2 square units. If you get negative also, you are supposed to write positive value. Okay. You can just change as plus 2. Usually they may do this kind of things in MCQs. Okay. Area of triangle like minus 2 plus 2, like that they may give you the answer. If you solve, you get minus 2, but you have to take the answer as plus 2 only. Be careful with this step. Done? Good. Now we are going to solve the next problem. See children, the next problem. Find the area of triangle formed by the points P of minus 1.5, 3, Q of 6, minus 2 and R of minus 3, 4. Shall we solve this problem? Yes. Here he has given us PQR, so let me write the same values. P of minus 1.5, 3. This is 1.5, 3. Okay. Next, Q of 6, minus 2. And then R of minus 3, 4. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We can write the formula now. That is nothing but area of triangle PQR is equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Close the bracket, enclose within the box. Now that is equals to half into x1. See children, x1 value is minus 1.5, right? So minus 1.5 into y2 value is minus 2 minus y3 value is 4. Then plus x2 value is 6 into y3 is 4, formula minus. Next see y1 is 3, close the bracket, plus x3 value is minus 3. So we write in bracket minus 3 into y1 is 3 minus y2 is minus 2. One more minus we are getting, so we write in bracket minus 2, close the bracket and main bracket. Got it? Now half into minus 1.5 into minus 2, minus 4. If both are minus, we should add, but minus remains same. That is nothing but minus 6. Next, plus 6 into 4 minus 3 is 1. Next, plus as it is, minus 3 also as it is, into 3, minus into minus is plus 2, close the bracket and main bracket. That is equals to half into minus is plus 1.5 into 6. How much, children? 1.5 into 6, that is 9. It is plus 9. Plus into plus is plus. It comes like 9.0. 9.0 means 9. 6 ones are 6. Now plus as it is. Now what is left out? That is minus 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5. Close the bracket. That is equals to half into 9 plus 6. How much? 15. Right? Now plus into minus, minus. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Done? That is nothing but half into 15 minus 15 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0 itself. Now we can say that area of triangle is equals to 0 square units. So what is the area of triangle? 0 square units. I hope you have understood this problem. Now let me solve example number 14. Children, before going to solve the next problem, one important note you need to remember. Okay? Listen here. What is that important note? If you want to say that the points are collinear, the points are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Let me say this, all these 3 points. If all these 3 points lie on the same line, that is called as collinear. If you are going to join all the 3 points, if you get a straight line, if you are going to join all the 3 points, if you get a straight line, that is called as collinear. Okay. Now, children, as we have seen in before case, in distance formula already we have seen. Once again I am repeating those things. So if you want to say the points are collinear, then the sum of 2 sides should be equal to the third side. Then we say that they are collinear. Again I am repeating. Let me say ABC are the 3 points. Then AB plus BC should be equal to AC or CA. If this sum of these 2 sides, if it is equal to the third side, then we say the given points are collinear. Understood? But what about the case of this is when distances are given? When we are using this, when they have given the distance, AB, BC, CD, CA, then we use this condition to prove they are collinear. Now, in case of area of triangle, if you want to say the points are collinear, then what should be there means the complete area of triangle value should be equal to 0. If area of triangle value is 0, then we say that it is collinear. Understood? Sometimes they will give 3 points ABC and they will ask you to prove that they are collinear. Same apply area of triangle formula, substitute all the values. If we get final answer as 0, then you can say that hence the given points are collinear. If we get final answer as 0, then we can directly say they are collinear. If we are getting some other answer, then it is not collinear. Understood? So you should remember these 2 conditions based on collinear, based on the points and based on the area. Is this clear? Very good. Now let me solve the problem. Say children, the next problem here is find the value of k. He is asking us something unknown value to find, that is k. If the points a of 2, 3, b of 4, k and c of 6, minus 3 are collinear. He is given that the points are collinear. Already he has given that the points are collinear. That's nothing but we can say that given what they have given children, the points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Right? Already they said that the points are collinear, no? Then we can say that the area of triangle is 0. Now we apply the area of triangle formula, that is area of triangle is equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, close the bracket. Right? Good. Now what are the coordinates they have given? What are the points they have given? A of 2, 3. So this is x1, this is y1. Next, B of 4, k. That is nothing but this is x2 and this is y2. Got it? And next, C of, what they have given the points of C? 6, minus 3. 6, minus 3. So this is x3 and this is y3. But already we know that area of triangle is what? 0, since they are collinear. Understood? Directly we can substitute like area of triangle is equals to 0 is equals to half into x1. x1 value is 2 into y2 is k minus y3 is minus 3. One more minus we are getting. So we write in bracket minus 3 plus x2 is 4 into y3 is minus 3 minus y1 is 3 as it is plus x3 is 6 into y1 is 3 minus y2 is k. y2 is k. Close the bracket. Now can you see this? Can we cross multiply this 2 with 0? Can you see here? It is like 0 by 1 by 2. Now we can multiply this 2 into 0. Are you getting, children? We can multiply these two values, cross multiplication. So 2 into 0, what it becomes? It becomes 0 only. It becomes 0. Got it? Yes. So directly now we can write like 2 into 0 is 0 is equals to, what is left out? 1. 1 means leave it, nothing. 1 multiplied by anything remains same. Now come back inside. So what is inside? 2 into k, minus into minus is plus 3. Next plus 4. Minus 3 is minus 6 plus 6 into 3 minus k into 3 minus k. Is this clear? Understood these steps? Understood or not? Very good. Now shall we multiply all the values? 2 into k, 2k, plus into plus, plus 2 3s are 6, plus into minus, minus 6 4s are 24. Next plus into plus, plus 6 3s are 18, plus into minus, minus 6 into k, 6k, that is equals to 0. Now I am bringing this 0 to the RHS side. Okay. Now just concentrate k values. Here we have 2k, here we have minus 6k, right? So 2 minus 6 is minus 4k, minus 4k. Now what are the terms are left out? Plus 6, minus 24, plus 18. So what you have to do is, remember, whenever you get both calculations like plus and minus, both the things together, so calculate all plus values separate, all minus values separate, then equate both the things. Now which are the plus values we have? Plus 18, plus 6. Is this clear? Plus 18 plus 6 is plus 24. It is plus 24. Now what is left out? Minus 24, right? So plus 24 minus 24 is how much? 0. That's nothing but plus 0 is equals to 0, right? Plus, now what we can write now? We want k value. That's nothing but minus 4k is equals to 0. Then k is equals to 0 by minus 4. Now I am cross multiplying minus 4 down, right? So minus 4 has come below 0. So 0 divided by anything is 0. Let it be plus 0 or minus 0. 0 is 0 only, because he is a very big hero. So he won't miss his status. Understood? So the value of k is what, children? Hero. Sorry, 0. Very good. Understood? But you don't score 0 marks, as you can call as a hero. No, children. It is movie, but this is reality. They should be having some difference. You should not forget it. Understood? Very good. Now let me solve example number 15. See, children, problem number 15. That is, if a of minus 5 comma 7, b of minus 4 comma minus 5, c of minus 1 comma minus 6, and d of 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. See children, just roughly you can draw one figure like a quadrilateral. Let me say this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Now I want to find the area of this complete diagram, complete figure of this quadrilateral. Children, but here we have area of triangle formula, but we don't have area of quadrilateral formula. I hope you can see in this question, right? In this what they have given, area of triangle formula, but here he is asking us to find quadrilateral value. So what we can do is simple. Now can we join any one diagonal like AC or BD? Any one side you can join. If we are going to join B and D, we can see that here we have got two triangles. Can you see this upper triangle ABD, right? And we can see lower triangle BCD. Can you see children? So here how many triangles we have? We have two triangles. Simple. As what we have done, first you try to solve the triangle of ABD. Area of triangle ABD you solve separately. Area of triangle BCD you solve separately. Then you add both the triangle areas. That's it, area of quadrilateral. Sum of two triangles is equals to the complete triangle, means complete figure, that is quadrilateral. Now let me solve children. Now first what we can do, let me find the area of first triangle is ABD. Okay, that is we are going to solve area of triangle what children? ABD. Just you take ABD values. A is minus 5 comma 7, B is minus 4 comma minus 5, then C is C or D. Very important. You should not skip your concentration. Sometimes you will write D, but you will take C values and you will solve. Be careful. Got it? So that is nothing but D. So the value, the coordinates of D are 4 comma 5. If you want, you can join AC and also you can solve. Okay, good. So area of triangle ABD is, once again let me cross check, minus 5 7, B is minus 4 minus 5 and D is 4 comma 5. Now we can say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 and y3. So area of triangle formula is what? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, close the bracket. So this is the formula what we are going to use to find the area. Okay, anyways, is equals to half into, what is the value of x1? X1 value is minus 5 into y2 minus 5 minus y3 is 5, then plus x2 is minus 4. So we write in bracket minus 4 into y3 5 minus y1 is 7 plus x3 is 4 into y1 is 7. Y1 is 7 minus y2. What is the value of y2? Minus 5. Y2 is minus 5. Is this clear? Now we can see the steps. Half into minus 5 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 10, minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 plus, let this minus 4 be as it is, 5 minus 7 is minus 2. In 5 we cannot subtract 7, so minus 7 minus 5 is 2. Then plus 4 into 7, minus into minus, plus 5, close the bracket, main bracket. Then half into minus into minus, plus 5 times 50. Now minus into minus, plus, plus into plus is also plus, 4 2 is 8. Then plus 4 into 7 plus 5 is 12. Close the main bracket. We are closing the main bracket. Done? Good. Next, half into 50 plus 8, 58 plus 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. Then half into, if you want calculation, you can do 58 plus 48. 8 16 zain ka ek, 8 plus 8 16, 6 1 carry, 5 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 10, that is 106. 106. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer? 53 square units. 53 square units, that is area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is 53 square units. Got it? After area of triangle ABD, now we need to solve area of triangle ABD, which did right. See here once again, ABCD. Now we have to solve BCD. Area of triangle BCD is equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Right? Now let me write the coordinates of BCD. The coordinates of B are minus 4 comma minus 5, and coordinates of C, what children? Minus 1 comma minus 6, and coordinates of D is 4 comma 5. Good. Now this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now area of triangle BCD is equals to half into x1 is minus 4 into y2 is minus 6, y2 is minus 6 minus, this is formula minus y3 is 5 plus x2 is minus 1. So we write in bracket minus 1 whole bracket, y3 is 5 minus y1 is minus 5. So we write in bracket minus 5, close the main bracket, plus x3 is 4 into y1 is minus 5 minus y2 is minus 6. So we write in bracket minus 6, close the bracket, main bracket. So brackets are important. Okay, good. That is equals to half into minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. Next, plus as it is minus 1 into 5, minus into minus plus 5 plus 4 into minus 5 minus into minus plus 6, close the bracket, main bracket. Now half into minus plus 4 11s are 44, right? Then plus as it is minus 1 into 5 plus 5 is 10, then plus 4 into 6 minus 5 is 1, close the bracket. That is equals to half into 44 plus into minus, minus 1 tens are 100, correct? No children's 10, very good. Plus 4 ones are 5, right? No children's 4. See, now you wake up because you are sleeping, no? That is the reason. Anyways, got it? Very good. Now half into, as I said you, first you have to calculate positive values, then negative values. 44 plus 4, that is 48, then minus 10, that is nothing but half into 48 minus 10, 38, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, that is nothing but 19 square units. So area of triangle BCD is equals to 19 square units. But what we have to solve? We have to solve the area of quadrilateral, right? So now we can say that therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle ABD is how much? 53 plus 19. 53 plus 19. 9 plus 3. How much? 12. Means 2 zain ka ek. 6 plus 1 7. Correct, no children? That is 72 square units. That is my logic. You won't understand, but you just concentrate on this. Is it correct, children? Is it correct? No children, it is absolutely wrong. Why? Because देखो बेटा एक चीज बोलता हूँ. This is what is equals to. what is this part? RHS means बच्चे बेटा, किसके बच्चे? Whose children's? We have to show. So these are the parents, and these parents, these are the children's. You have to write. Understood? Simply if you write children's, no parents means absolutely wrong children's. You can't do like that. Okay? So you have to write the parents. Who is the parent children? That is, you should write this part. That is, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to 72 square units. 72 square units. I hope you have understood the problem, right? Yes. Now we are going to conclude this session here itself, so that in our next part we are going to start the exercise problems related to this topic, area of triangle. That's nothing but exercise 7.3. So children, I hope you all have understood these problems till now, what we have done, what we have discussed. I hope you all have enjoyed the sessions, right? Absolutely correct. Anyways, children, once again I like to tell you that still if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe it. That is Evershine Coaching Groups. It is our YouTube channel name, and you can follow me in the Insta, in the Facebook, okay, and also in the Twitter. You can follow us, and even through the Telegram channel also you can interact with us, right? You can subscribe, ask your other friends also to subscribe our channel. Click the like button, share this video to your all the friends, put as the status of your WhatsApp or any other social media. Okay, let everyone utilize the opportunity to learn with Faisal sir. Thank you. See you soon.